Center, which is in Machakos District, Nguluni location. Mama Darlene's Children's Center was founded in 1996 by late Monica Ngumi, and as we continue, I'm going to introduce you to the classes and the children who are there, as I want to tell you about the main objectives of the center. The main objectives of this center was to provide education, health care, and the empowerment of caregivers, because we started initially with the offices, that is orphans, vulnerable children, and even children with disability. We started a primary school from pre-unity up to, as we talk now, we are up to standard 8. And we are still continuing with the empowerment of the caregivers. This school has many obstacles as we try to achieve our goals. We needed some help even to pay teachers. We needed some help even to buy food for the children, because not most of them can afford even to buy food. But as we talk now, there are parents or some guardians who help to donate some food to the children. And as we talk right now, we cannot have sufficient funds from our donors or from well-wishers to pay even the teachers. So we are appealing for the community to get involved and have this center running. May I take this opportunity to introduce you to Miss Mandy, who is a teacher in pre-unity. As you can see, the children are now learning. You can see the kind of furniture we have, which needs to be upgraded and needs even some books and the writing material. Mrs. Mutiso, who is a teacher in standard 1, and these are the children in that class. Class. This is class 1. Class 1. May I introduce you to Teacher Susan, who is a teacher in class 1. And these are the children. You can see the kind of furniture, kind of books, which need some upgrading, and even other reading materials. I would like to introduce you. This is your class. I want to introduce you to Teacher Esther, who is a teacher in standard 6, and you can see the pupils with their books and even with their stationery and what they do in this class.
Vida.
To introduce you to Mrs. Kase, who is a teacher in Standard 3, and here are the children she teaches. You can see the classroom, the stationery, and even the equipment that is in this class.
Science.
I'd like to introduce you to Mr. Nyange, who is a teacher in class 5. And here are the children he teaches. And the pupils are learning English lesson, which promotes the skills of language skills. To introduce you to Charles Musyoka, who is a teacher in class 4. And the lesson they is teaching is English. And here are the pupils. You can see what they do. I would like to introduce you to class 8, and the teacher is Mr. Peter Madeka, who is also the principal of the school. He can explain to you just what he's teaching and just a few comments.
Yes, welcome to our school. This is Mama Darling Academy. Class 8, we have 15 candidates this year. I teach them English. The other teachers will teach other subjects. But then we hope they are going to do well. And they are very serious this year. This time around, they are going to do well. But we have a few problems. Some of them don't come to school because of the problem of school fees. And some sometimes stay here without eating, without feeding. So, well, we are that way. Welcome.
Introduce you to Teacher Kennedy, who teaches standard 7, and here are the pupils. You can watch.
You can watch the pupils.
I'd like to introduce you to our cook. She will say her names. Wait a minute. She's Florence Wafinya Kelonzo, as you have heard, and this is our kitchen. Now she's preparing some food for the children. You can see the children lining up for a meal so that they can have their lunch. Toilets which need some improvement. You can see the urinal is not even adequate for the children, and the toilets are few for such a number of children. So we would like to uplift the standard of our sanitation. This is our well, which we get water from, and as this time of the year, the well is dried up because it is a dry season. So we would also appeal to sing something that can bring us more water to use. Staff room where teachers prepare their notes before they go to the class. We come to an end of the information we had for the school. Now I would like also to comment something about the HIV/AIDS intervention in our community. We visit our community members to educate and cause awareness about HIV/AIDS and even prevention and the use of condoms, etc. And these are the areas whereby we need to empower them, because not all of them has the capacity even to take care of the children which come to Mama Darlene's Children's Center. Thank you very much.